Hello students, in last presentation we had discussed on wire cut electric discharge machine WEDM. Today we will discuss on electrochemical machine ECM. In electrochemical machine we cover the introduction, principle of working, setup of ECM, advantages of ECM, disadvantages of ECM and application of ECM. Introduction. Electrochemical machine ECM is a non-conventional manufacturing process which rely on duplicating the shapes of the tool electrode into the workpiece via anodic dissolution of the workpiece. In electric electrochemical machine ECM, both the tool electrode and workpiece are submerged in the electrically conductive electrolyte. Consider two electrodes placed in tank containing the conductive solution. One electrode is made of cathode and other is made of anode. When current is switched on, the positive ion move towards the cathode and negative ion move towards the anode. Electrochemical reaction take place and metal is removed from the anode and placed on cathode. Principle of working. During the electrochemical machining process, the reaction takes place at the electrodes. A closed gap of about 0.5 mm is maintained between the tool and workpiece, and electrolyte is continuously pumped into the gap. DC voltage is applied. Due to the voltage, the current flow in the electrolyte. Due to this, positively charged ions are attracted towards the cathode and the negative charged ions are attracted towards the anode. The metal from anode is removed atom by atom by removing negative charge that bind the surface atom to their neighbors. The ionized atoms are then positively charged and can be attracted away from the workpiece. Thus, electrochemical reaction take place in presence of electrolyte which result in removal of metal from the workpiece. Setup of electrochemical machine. A typical setup of electrochemical machine as shown in figure. It consists of following system: DC power supply unit, workpiece and work holding system, tool and tool feed system, electrolyte supply system. So we will see one by one. First, DC power supply unit. In electrochemical machine, current of about 40,000 ampere is applied across a DC voltage of 5 to 30 volts. Second, workpiece and work holding system. The workpiece is made anode. The workpiece is placed on a table in a tank. The table material is non-conductive and have a good thermal stability. Third, tool and tool feed system. The tool is made cathode. A small gap is maintained between the tool and workpiece. In order to maintain the gap during the machining, the tool is continuously fed towards the workpiece by servo mechanism. The tool used in hollow to provide passage for the electrolyte. Last one is electrolyte supply system. Electrolyte is continuously pumped into the gap between the tool and workpiece. When a DC voltage is applied, current flow through a equipment and electrochemical reaction take place. This result is removal of material from a workpiece. The metal removal rate is proportional to the current intensity. Advantages of electrochemical machine. Complex concave curvature components can be produced easily by using concave tools. Tool wear is zero. Same tool can be used for producing infinite number of components. No direct contact between tool and work material, so there are no forces and residual stresses. The surface finish produced is excellent. Less heat generated. The metal removal rate is high. Disadvantages of electrochemical machine. Only electrically conductive material can be machined. High power consumption. Heavy initial investment. Floor space area required is more. Application of electrochemical machine. Die sinking operation. Drilling jet engine turbine blade. Multiple hole drilling. Machine steam turbine blade within closed limits. Micro machining. Profiling and countering. Thank you.